Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, y'all hungry, yeah, talking about what y'all won't eat. You wanna make a bet, home cooked meals, hold on to your seat. It's Nana the Saucy Chef, now let's eat.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pizza roses. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pizza sauce, pepperoni, Italian seasoning, pizza crust, and also mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, now you can go ahead and shred your mozzarella cheese. Now you want to open your pizza crust and we're just going to roll it out. Now you want to cut it into 6 strips. Now we're going to take our pizza dough strip and we're just going to go ahead and roll it out. Just going to make your dough a little bit thinner. Then you can take your knife and just go down along the edges and even it out. So now we're going to take some pizza sauce. We're just going to put it onto our pizza dough. Just want to spread it out. Next, we're going to begin to add our pepperoni. We're going to go all the way down. Now, we're going to take some of our cheese. Just sprinkle it on there. I'm also going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. Then you want to take it at the end and just begin to roll it up. As you can see, we have a perfect rose. So all you want to do is repeat the process. Once you've made all your roses, you want to get a muffin tin and you want to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. And you want to set your oven to 450 degrees. Now you can begin to set your roses inside. Okay guys, now they're ready to go into our oven, 450 degrees for 15 minutes. You can also sprinkle a little bit of Italian seasoning over top of each one if you want. Okay, they're now done, so I'm just going to let them cool off some before I remove them. Okay guys, so here we have it, our pizza roses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?